The number of West Nile cases is growing in Texas every day, including right here in Central Texas. Just this week, a 90-year-old woman died from the virus in Williamson County. In Travis County, 20 cases are confirmed, and 2 people died from West Nile this summer.
Most of those cases coming from the Austin metro area. The Austin-Travis County Health Department released this map showing the zip codes here in Austin with the highest number of confirmed West Nile mosquito activity. But still, Travis County officials say there is no need to panic, but people do need to be careful this week, and especially if it rains. KXA's Chris Sadeghi live downtown with more on how the city and the county are battling these insects.
There are 20 cases of confirmed West Nile here in Travis County, including the 1 death. Now, in Dallas, they are spraying stagnant water areas like this. That will not happen inside the Austin city limits unless things get much worse.
It could be something in the water, somewhere, anywhere. And yes, it is in Travis County.
Mosquito pools and the cases of West Nile virus have been scattered throughout the entire county.
78 mosquito pools or groups in the county have tested positive for West Nile. And it's a similar story all over Texas. In Dallas, they're pulling out the planes.
This is not what you might think of from a crop dusting plane. This is a very sophisticated technology.
But in Travis County, they aren't revving up the engines just yet. They are spraying by hand and trucks in the county, but it won't happen inside city limits unless things get much worse.
Policy was adopted where we don't spray within the city unless there's a public health emergency.
That policy was made after community concern about spraying several years ago. Dr. Phil Huang says the Health and Human Services Department instead is throwing larvicide in stagnant water and trying to control the source of mosquitoes. But with rain coming, they'll need your help.
It doesn't even take very much. So really, try to get rid of any standing water.
And while workers are spraying the ground, the biggest weapon against mosquitoes might be spraying yourself, a weapon missing in West Nile cases.
Most of them have reported that they never used mosquito repellent and haven't used mosquito repellent.
Ready? Now, if you go to our website, kxan.com, you'll find all the information you need on how to report a mosquito problem and have the Health and Human Services Department come out and take a look, maybe even do a test on those mosquito pools to see if they test positive for the West Nile virus. We're live on Shoal Creek. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.
Chris, thank you. Although 2003 was the worst year in West Nile deaths in the United States, the number of cases this year is spiking across the country. California, Louisiana, Mississippi, Oklahoma, and South Dakota are among the highest. But none of those states comes even close to Texas. We're up to 455 cases in 48 counties, and 20 people have died so far this year.